Mr. Morassi, we visited your facility today. It was very interesting to see many helicopters from foreign countries, not just Italian registered helicopters. So could you explain why that is?
But the fact is that we all the time with our company have been focusing on I would say on the training of the people and the professionality for the people, etc. And this has been recognized also by people of different countries coming to our facilities. In particular, we have helicopters from France and also from Albania, where we have a base and we have sound relationships with the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Defense, and Ministry of Interior. And then we have been working in Turkey since more than 6 or 7 years in the past. And thanks to what we are doing there, we're supporting especially the private customers. We won recently a tender with the Ministry of Forestry, and you can see here helicopters from the Ministry of Forestry of Turkey, and we are very happy on the fact that they are very satisfied about our performance.
As well as your responsibilities within Helicopters Italia, you are also the president of the European Helicopter Association. What are the main challenges you face today, certainly as regards Brussels as well?
That's a good question. But first of all, I have to say that the main challenge for our industry is always the safety of operations, because this is of paramount importance for all of the players in this industry. But especially as far as the rotorcraft is concerned, we have been very focusing on the recognition from authorities, from the various European authorities, of the specificity of the helicopter. Very often rules and regulations in the aviation derives from fixed wing or from business aviation, and very few are really created specifically for the rotorcraft. One of the main success we had has been to bring this the rotorcraft specificity to EASA, first of all, the new European authorities, and after a certain time, EASA has decided to appoint a focal point and dedicated personnel for all the let's say rotorcraft related activities. On 20 September, a few days ago, it has been, for the first time, a very interesting confrontation between operators and EASA and authorities on the new rules which are about to be published by EASA, and in 2 years will become mandatory for all the European countries. And also on controversial issues, because of course not always we are let's say completely in line with authorities. We will have the possibility to discuss with the authorities these specific problems, these specific topics relevant for industry. And then also we have foreseen a kind of roadmap with the national authorities of the various aviation authorities of the various European countries, in order to be on time when the new rules will become mandatory.
Are you involved in the European Open Sky Initiative? Is that just fixed wing or also rotorcraft?
We came very late, unfortunately, and this has been a kind of drawback for the rotorcraft industry at the beginning of the CESAR Galileo program. We have been out from the single European sky, but thanks to our work in Brussels and with the European Commission, now we are, I think we are going to sign on the next days the official contract to become stakeholders of this program. A person, the General Secretary of the European Helicopter Association, is presently in Brussels attending a dedicated session of meetings for the stakeholders of the project. We are supported in this process by Augusta Westland and by Eurocopter, and I have to say that I am very pleased to see these two manufacturers working together and with us, and for the success of the rotorcraft and the possibility to give to the rotorcraft an equal access to the European sky, the future European sky.
Mr. Morassi, thank you very much for speaking to us.
Thank you.